For more than a quarter century, the Lexus IS has stood for pure driving enjoyment, blending precision, style, and everyday usability into a compact sports sedan. 2026 Lexus IS arrives with a confident glow-up, refining everything that has made the nameplate iconic while pushing the experience further for a new generation of drivers. This is not a reinvention, but a careful evolution focused on deeper connection between drivers. Since its debut in 1999, the IS has embodied the spirit of a front-engine, rear-wheel drive sports sedan. Over 25 years, it has earned global respect, with cumulative sales of around 1.3 million units across 40 countries and regions. Central to its success is the philosophy known as the Lexus Driving Signature, a relentless pursuit of balance, control, and refinement validated through rigorous real-world testing. 2026, the Lexus IS lineup is streamlined and the sedan will be offered exclusively as the IS 350, available in two distinct grades, F Sport Design and F Sport. Both are built around the theme of refinement in performance and design, polishing the engaging character that has defined the IS for decades. Visually, the 2026 IS makes a strong first. The redesigned front end sharpens the sedan's signature look, emphasizing a low center of gravity and a wide planted stance. Changes bring a more commanding presence while preserving the athletic proportions that define the IS. F Sport Design and F Sport grades ride on newly styled 19-inch lightweight aluminum wheels, enhancing both appearance and handling. F Sport grade takes things a step further. A newly designed available rear spoiler improves aerodynamic performance, while optional red brake calipers add a bold visual cue that mirrors the car's sharp, responsive driving character. Together, these elements reinforce the IS as a sedan that looks as capable as it feels on the road. Plays a key role in the refreshed personality. 2026 IS will be available in 7 exterior colors: ultra white, iridium, cloudburst gray, caviar, infrared, ultrasonic blue, mica 2.0. The new wind color stands out with its hard-toned light gray base infused with metallic highlights, capturing a sense of motion even at a standstill and underscoring the sporty spirit of the IS. Inside, the transformation continues with a more refined and driver-focused styled instrument panel and center console create a cleaner, more modern layout, while updated trims elevate the sense of craftsmanship. Technology is now front and center, with the Lexus interface and a 12.3-inch touchscreen becoming standard equipment. The system to be intuitive and responsive, keeping the driver informed and connected without distraction. Also takes a major step forward. 2026 Lexus IS comes standard with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, delivering advanced driver assistance features that enhance confidence in daily driving. It is a reminder that performance and peace of mind can coexist seamlessly. To mark the arrival of the updated model, Lexus is introducing an exclusive special appearance package for the IS 350 F Sport, limited to 50 units for North America. This package is designed for enthusiasts who want something true. It features Hakugen matte white exterior paint paired with a striking white and black interior treatment. The visual impact is amplified by 19-inch black BBS forged alloy wheels and triple beam LED headlamps, while a moonroof adds an open, premium feel. Performance and convenience are elevated with the handling package, intuitive parking assist, and a panoramic view monitor. Will appreciate the inclusion of a Mark Levinson audio system delivering concert-level sound inside the cabin. No luxury touches include a power rear sunshade, the technology package, and a standard Smart Access key card. Carpet floor mats and special key gloves complete the experience, reinforcing the sense that this is something special. Sales of the special appearance package begin early next year, coinciding with the general on sale timing of the 2026 is in early 2026. At its core, the 2026 Lexus IS remains true to the Lexus driving. Every input, every response, and every surface has been refined to deliver linear control, confident grip, composed handling, and a smooth, quiet ride. Set and engineered to communicate with its driver, rewarding those who value precision and balance. 2026 Lexus IS not about chasing trends. It is about perfecting a formula, fresh design, advanced technology, focused lineup, and unwavering commitment to driving enjoyment. The IS continues to define what a modern sports sedan. It stands as a confident statement from Lexus, proving that thoughtful evolution, authentic performance, and refined design can still inspire passion in an increasingly digital, automated automotive world for drivers everywhere.